Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn for loop in Python. In this session, we are going to cover first of all use of range, then syntax of for loop, and then we will take few examples with for loop. We start with range functions. A range function of Python generates a list which is a sequence type of Python. It could be used with the following syntax. Range, first parameter is lower limit, second one is upper limit, and third one is step value. All values should be integers. There are few examples through which you can understand what the range function do for us. Range 1 comma 10 comma 3. Here 1 is the start value, 10 is stop value, and 3 is the step value. The answer you will get is 1, 4 and 7. It will start from 1, will take the step value in 3, and 10 will not be included in the final result. Similarly, the next example is range 10. Here the output is 0 to 9 because the start value is 0 and step value is 1. Next example is range 10 comma 1 comma minus 2. Here the first value is 10, then with the step value of minus 2 the next value is 8, then 6, then 4, and then 2. 1 will not be included in the result. Here are some points to note. The default value of lower limit is always 0, default value of step value is always 1, and upper limit is not included in the list. Now we will learn the syntax of for loop. Here the loop will be written as follows: for, then variable name, then in, sequence, colon, in proper indentation we will write the statements which will be repeated in the loop. Here the sequence may be of any type of sequence which is we have learned in Python. For example, list, tuple, string, etc. Second point is statement to be repeated must be written under proper indentation. Here we are taking two examples. One is for printing a table of a number. Here we have taken one variable num as initial value 5, and we are writing a loop from for I in range 1 comma 11. Here the range function will give us the values 1 to 10, and we are simply printing num into I equals to num into I. Means first the number will be printed, then x, and then range generated value which is I, and you will get the output which is shown in the right side of the question. Similarly, the second problem is to print the following pattern. You are printing h, he, hel, hell, to print this format you will write the code as written in the slide itself. String will be initialized as hello. We will take one string which is having no value, means null. Now we will write a loop for I in string. String is a sequence means string type sequence, and next the statement will be s is equal to s plus I, and finally we will print s value within the loop. Then you will get the similar pattern on the output screen. Now it's your turn to guess the output of this question which is before on the screen. Predict the output of the following. The first statement is a equals to 0, means initial value of a is 0. Then we are writing a loop for I in range 4 comma 8, then colon. We have put one condition through if statement. If I mod 2 double equals to 0 colon a equals to a plus I, print a. Now let's 30-second time for finding out the correct option. I'm just waiting for you. Okay, the answer is correct option is third. The output will be 10. Similarly, the next question, consider the following loop. For solving this question, you must have the prior knowledge of using while loop. The loop is j equals to 10 while j is greater than equals to 5 colon print x j equals to j minus 1. You have to convert this loop into for loop, and you have to find the correct option which will print the same output as will be printed by this while loop. Which of the following for loops will generate the same output as the loop shown above? I have given 5 options, out of which one or two or only one option is correct. You have to find the correct option. Let's wait for a few moments. Okay, now I am giving you the correct answer, correct option. The correct answer is option 3, for I in range 10 comma minus 1 comma minus 2 print x. Here the start value will be 10 and the stop value is minus 1, step value is minus 2. So when you will evaluate this range function, you will get 10, then 8, then 6, then 4, and then 2, and then 0. Means this loop will run 6 times and you will get the same output as you will get out of this while loop. So this is the explanation of for loop. I hope you have better understood the topic. So with this reflection spot, this session is end. Thank you. Have a nice day.